Hello and welcome to another snapshot video tutorial on the BrailleNote Touch Plus. And today's session, I'm going to take you through how we can copy and paste from non-editable fields such as Internet, Chrome, and places like email as well. So this is something that came available to us on the version 3, the ability to copy from non-editable fields. So first of all, I'm at my main menu. I'm going to navigate to the internet and I'm going to copy a section from HumanWare's website.
Internet, Chrome. BrailleNote Touch Plus is the most powerful and up-to-date note taker in the...
So the first thing that you will need to enable is your speech. So the way that we're copying from non-editable fields is copying the last utterance. So first of all, you will need to enable your speech by pressing the space bar and that far left thumb key, the previous thumb key, together to enable the TTS. Now that doesn't mean to say that you need to have the volume all the way on. You can actually set your volume to 0. It's just that it does need to be set to on at this stage. Now, at the moment, my focus is on the first sort of item that I'd like to copy, which is the BrailleNote Touch Plus is the most powerful and up-to-date note taker. If that's the area that I'd like to copy, I need to make sure that my item or my focus is just before that. So I'm going to press the far left thumb key to move me back an item.
Contact me for a free demo.
Okay. And now I'm going to start the copying. So like our general copying command, it's enter with the letter S. So enter with S together.
Selection start.
Gives me my selection start. So every single time now that I hit my thumb key, it will start to copy the text.
BrailleNote Touch Plus is the most powerful, designed to be used in the classroom. Say
I can copy all the way down to the bottom if I wish.
BrailleNote get the fastest and most with its powerful lightning fast
And
processor.
I'm now going to press enter with S again
gives
to
you all
stop.
the efficiency you need to empower your life.
So as you noticed there, I was just panning through with my outer thumb keys. You do not have to wait for the speech to stop. You can literally just continue to pan with your thumb keys. And when you're finished, then you can press enter with S again to stop the selection. So I've now got my start and my stop in place. I now need to copy. So again, using that same command to copy, which is backspace with I.
Copied spoken content to clipboard.
Okay, that's copied to my clipboard. Let's go back to the main menu now and open up a document.
Main menu.
In the word processor.
Word process. Keyword menu. Edit box. End of document.
Okay, and now I'm going to paste using the backspace with the letter V.
Paste.
There we have it. And as I pan through,
say hello to the most ever inaccessible smart and type is hand the market.
It's copied everything.
All the most third-party application.
So that's how we copy and paste from non-editable fields. So just to recap, the first thing you'll need to make sure is to enable your TTS. You don't have to have the volume up. That volume can be set to 0. Then you need to make sure that what you want to copy in, that your focus is just before that item. You'll then need to enable the start selection by pressing enter with S. And then from there, you can then continue to pan using your thumb keys if you wish, and until you want to get to the point where you want to stop copying. Then you press enter with S to stop the selection. Then it's a general copying command, which is backspace with Y. And then lastly, if you want to paste what you've copied to your clipboard, it's backspace with the letter V.